What if I told you that China already holds bombs so extreme they could wipe the entire planet in less than 1 second? It may sound exaggerated, but it is not. China's arsenal has grown so colossal that Beijing has become one of the greatest strategic nightmares of the Pentagon, and high-ranking officials know that facing it would put all of humanity at risk. We are talking about thermonuclear bombs capable of reducing entire cities to radioactive ashes, devices designed to sink giant aircraft carriers with a single strike, and even weapons that could shut down whole nations, silencing their electrical systems and plunging them into total darkness in just seconds. Today on TechZNX, you are going to discover the 7 most powerful and destructive Chinese bombs. Devices so extreme they could change the course of history in the blink of an eye. So, get ready, because what you are about to see is not for everyone. Let's begin. Number 7. The nuclear tsunami weapon. To open this ranking, we have a terrifying concept that China is developing, inspired by Russian systems. Massive nuclear torpedoes capable of unleashing radioactive tsunamis. Picture a device dozens of meters long loaded with a thermonuclear warhead, silently navigating deep beneath the ocean for hundreds of kilometers. It does not aim to sink a ship. It aims to detonate underwater, generating a gigantic wave, a true tsunami of fire and radiation that would devastate entire coastal cities. It is estimated that such an attack could raise waves of up to 50 meters in height, powerful enough to swallow ports, naval bases, and millions of lives in just minutes. And worse, the very water would be contaminated with radiation, turning vast areas into uninhabitable marine deserts for decades. Unlike a conventional missile, this kind of weapon cannot be intercepted. It moves like a ghost submarine, slow but inevitable. And once it reaches the detonation site, catastrophe is unstoppable. No radar, no missile defense system can halt a nuclear wave advancing toward the shore. This nuclear tsunami weapon is not designed for a limited war. It is pure intimidation, a brutal message that says, if you try to sink us, we will drag you under with us, buried by a radioactive wave that destroys everything you love. Number 6. The DF-21D. Among all Chinese weapons, few have inspired as much fear in the United States Navy as this medium-range ballistic missile. It is not designed to flatten cities. It was made to hunt giants at sea. The DF-21D can fly more than 1,500 kilometers and strike its target at hypersonic speed. But what makes it a nightmare is not just the speed, but its precision. This projectile can track and hit a moving aircraft carrier even when it is heavily protected by an escort fleet. A direct hit would be enough to disable, or even sink, a nuclear carrier such as those of the Nimitz or Gerald R. Ford classes. In other words, with a single shot, China could neutralize the most expensive and powerful piece of the American arsenal, those floating cities that have dominated the oceans since the Second World War. The secret lies in its advanced guidance system, combining radars, satellites, and real-time sensors. As the missile closes in, it performs evasive maneuvers that make it nearly impossible to intercept. Neither the Aegis system nor the most modern anti-air missiles can guarantee a stop. In practice, the DF-21D completely changed naval strategy. Where once an aircraft carrier was untouchable, today it is known that if it sails too close to waters controlled by Beijing, it becomes a giant target waiting for the final blow. This missile is more than a weapon. It is the symbol of how China found a way to balance the scales against a navy that once seemed unstoppable. Number 5. The JL-2. If there is one weapon that makes China truly unpredictable, it is the JL-2, intercontinental ballistic missiles designed to be launched from Jin-class nuclear submarines. These projectiles are the underwater face of nuclear deterrence. No one knows where they are, no one knows when they will move, and most dangerously, they can strike from any point in the ocean. With a range of over 8,000 kilometers, they are capable of hitting American cities directly from the Pacific without the submarine having to get too close. Each JL-2 can carry nuclear warheads powerful enough to obliterate a metropolis in seconds. But the most chilling fact is that a single Jin-class submarine can carry more than a dozen of these missiles. That means one single vessel holds the power to unleash a multiple, devastating attack on several targets at once. Picture a calm ocean. Beneath the surface, a steel colossus waits in silence. Suddenly, a hatch opens and a missile bursts through the water like lightning, rising toward the sky before plunging back down on a target thousands of kilometers away. Nobody saw it coming. Nobody had time to react. The JL-2 proves that modern war is no longer fought only on land or in the air. It is also fought in the depths, in an invisible arena where a single launch can alter the fate of the planet. Number 4. High-altitude electromagnetic pulse bombs. Not every bomb destroys with fire and explosions. Some are even more terrifying because they wipe out the technology that sustains our modern civilization. China is working on nuclear devices prepared to detonate in the atmosphere and unleash an electromagnetic pulse so brutal it could instantly shut down an entire country. Imagine a detonation that leaves no crater but turns every city into a technological graveyard. In seconds, power grids collapsed, satellites disabled, communications silenced, planes falling from the sky, and hospitals without energy to save lives. An entire society reduced to darkness and absolute chaos. The chilling part is that this is no theory. The United States has known for decades how devastating an EMP strike would be, and analysts claim Beijing has already conducted secret tests to perfect this capability. Unlike a classic thermonuclear bomb, whose power is visible in flames and destruction, here the hell is invisible. The enemy simply awakens in silence, back in a technological stone age. A single pulse of this kind, launched over a superpower, could paralyze entire armies without firing a bullet, grounding aircraft, disabling warships, and rendering defense systems useless as chaos erupts in the streets. EMP bombs are, in short, the most silent and chilling weapon in China's arsenal. They do not erase cities from the map, but they erase what makes them function. Number 3. The JL-3. If the JL-2 was already a silent predator, its direct successor is a monster. The JL-3 is the most advanced intercontinental ballistic missile ever deployed by China on its new generation of submarines, representing a leap that shifts the entire global nuclear balance. This projectile can fly over 10,000 kilometers, enough to reach any American city from waters near China's coast. But the truly terrifying part is its payload: multiple, independently targetable nuclear warheads, MIRVs, each one capable of destroying a different city. That means a single launch can multiply in the sky and wipe out several metropolises within minutes. A Jin-class submarine armed with JL-3 is not just a warship. It is a floating apocalypse platform. It can lurk for months in the depths of the ocean, silently awaiting the launch order. And when it comes, a missile erupts from the sea like lightning, unseen until it is far too late. Picture the scene. In the calm Pacific, all seems quiet. But hundreds of meters below, a steel giant launches a missile that cuts through the ocean and rockets into the sky. Minutes later, several cities are reduced to radioactive ash. No defense system, neither on land nor in space, can stop it. The JL-3 is more than a weapon. It is confirmation that China no longer just competes. Now it can equal and even surpass the United States in the game of submarine nuclear deterrence. Number 2. The DF-41. If there is one weapon that makes the entire world nervous, it is the DF-41, an intercontinental ballistic missile that not only rivals the most powerful ones from the United States and Russia, but even surpasses them in some aspects. This Titan is more than 30 meters long and can strike targets over 15,000 kilometers away, which means that from deep inside China, it could hit any city on Earth, from New York to London or Washington, in less than half an hour. The most terrifying part is its load. Each DF-41 can carry up to 10 MIRV nuclear warheads, each with enough power to wipe out an entire city. In practice, a single launch can split in the sky and annihilate multiple targets at once, the equivalent of a nuclear army packed into one missile. But it is not only about range and power. Its mobility makes it an uncatchable ghost. Unlike silo-based missiles, the DF-41 travels on enormous 16-wheel mobile launch vehicles, able to move through roads, tunnels, and even mountainous areas, constantly hiding so no one knows where it is or when it will fire. And the worst for its enemies, it flies at more than 20 times the speed of sound. At that velocity, no missile defense system can stop it. By the time radars detect it, it is already too late. The strike lands before anyone can react. The DF-41 is not just a missile. It is China's ultimate card to remind the world that if anyone dares provoke it, Beijing can respond with a blow so devastating it would change human history in mere minutes. Number 1. China's secret thermonuclear bomb. If ballistic missiles are already hell in motion, the most feared jewel of China's arsenal is a thermonuclear bomb of colossal power, a weapon so devastating it could erase a metropolis in seconds and leave behind a radioactive desert for generations. Although Beijing keeps most information secret, military analysts agree. China has developed thermonuclear charges reaching tens of megatons, power dozens of times greater than what struck Hiroshima and Nagasaki. To put it in perspective, a single one of these bombs could erase a city like Los Angeles or Shanghai and poison the atmosphere for decades. What makes this weapon even more disturbing is that it is not an experimental prototype, but an active part of the arsenal. It can be launched from strategic bombers, intercontinental missiles, or even submarines, giving it terrifying flexibility. The ability to unleash nuclear hell from land, sea, or air. Picture the scenario. A stealth bomber takes off at night, invisible to radars. Hours later, it opens its bay and releases a thermonuclear bomb that falls silently on its target. At detonation, a fireball kilometers wide consumes everything in its path. The ground melts, the air turns into poison, and millions of lives vanish without warning. This high-yield thermonuclear bomb is not just a weapon. It is the most brutal reminder that humanity still walks on the edge of the abyss. Because a single use of one of these warheads would mean the end of civilization as we know it in one blinding flash. And there you have it, the 7 most extreme, destructive, and apocalyptic Chinese bombs. An arsenal capable of erasing cities, paralyzing continents, and even plunging the entire planet into darkness in just seconds. From bombs that can provoke radioactive tsunamis, to the infernal jewel of the DF-41, and culminating with the high-yield thermonuclear bomb, Beijing's message is clear. China no longer only defends its territory, it is ready to remind the world that its power can change history at any moment. Now the question is for you. Do you believe China would ever actually use any of these weapons in a real conflict? Or do you think they are only a card of intimidation to keep the rest of the planet under control? Leave us your answer in the comments. We want to know what you think. And do not forget to subscribe to TechZNX, because what is coming will leave you even more stunned.